Alright, chocolate spread is on the orange. Mickey! Come on over here. I've got something for you.
Oh, really?
Okay. Okay, stick your finger out like this. And now close your eyes. Okay, here you go. You can open your eyes now.
Ah! Grace! What did you do to me?
Oh, this movie is so scary. Sorry, Mickey. I just totally got scared is all.
What the heck, Grace?
The nail polish is all over now.
Ugh, that is it. I need to do something about this.
Wait a second. I think I'm getting a great idea. Oh yeah. Time for an epic prank. Come on, fight off that monster!
Well, she's clearly distracted enough right now.
I've got my soda, and I'm ready to set up this prank. Now I'll just pour in this unflavored gelatin. The cap has to go back on so I can give it a good shake. It's gotta be mixed really good. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, now for the next step. I've gotta pour it into these straws. This is gonna be so great when it's done. Okay, the straws are all filled. I'll just put them in the fridge so they can set faster. Now the hardest part of all. Waiting. Okay, that should be long enough. Let me just take a look here. Oh yeah, they're definitely set and ready to go. Just gotta take them out of the straws. Perfect. Ooh, they look like long jiggle worms. Into the chip bowl they go. So scary! I can't even look this time! There. I totally switched out the bowls and she didn't see. Wait a second. What is this? What did I eat? Oh, you're eating worms, huh? Don't mind if I do. I love their chewy gummy texture. So good. They're just the best, these worms. Don't you just love snacking on worms too, Grace? Oh my gosh. Mickey, you're so gross. Oh, I'm totally gonna be sick. What about this dress? I don't know. Nah, these shades aren't my color. Oh my gosh. Wow. Nah, I'm not feeling this dress either. Oh my gosh, that jacket is amazing! Love the fabric. Yep, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Hey, Mickey, let go! This is mine! No way! I saw it first! Let go! Yes! I win! She's the worst. It matches my current favorite sunglasses and everything. She thinks she's so cool. Whatever. Oh, hey. What do we have here? Shh. Don't tell anyone, but I'm gonna borrow you for a prank. Alright, outfit has been swapped. Just gotta adjust the hat and wait. I'm looking so amazing in this outfit. Now's my chance. Just a little tap. What? What the heck was that? I really thought someone tapped me on the shoulder. The coat is a huge success. I know I felt something this time. What? But there's no one else here. It's just me. I must just be imagining things or something. It's totally working. I gotta keep going. What? Oh no, no, no. Ah! The mannequin's alive! Run away! Keep the coat! I've gotta get out of here! Yes! The prank was a huge success! I cannot put this book down. It's so good! Oh my gosh! Right now? Grace, Grace, Grace! I need you to leave! Go on! Come on! I need the space! Leave! No way. I was here first. You leave. Ugh! Mickey! You're being such a brat right now! I know what I'll do. Finally! Okay, now I better touch up my makeup before he gets here. She's gonna get a shock. Okay, yep, my lips are ready to go. Plant? Shh. I need to borrow your corner. I look good! Mickey, I'm so glad to see you! Thank you so much, I love them! You will not believe the bonkers day I had! What the heck? I thought I just heard someone sneeze! Maybe we can kiss now? Sure, I'd love to kiss you. Ah! Save me, Mickey!
What the? Grace!
Oh, you're the worst! Get me out of this freaky place! You scared my boyfriend away! You're the worst! Time to work on my art. Phew, what a day. I'm exhausted. She's such a weirdo sometimes. I love the shade of this blue color. It's definitely one of my favorites. Whoa! What the heck? Look at all this dust! This place is a mess. Oh, she's got some dirt on her shoulder. Grace, stop! I'm trying to paint here! Yeah, but you have a little smudge right here. Grace, I'm serious! Everything looks so much prettier when it's been dusted. There, it looks even more scrumptious now. In you go. Need to get up here on this window ledge, too. Ah! Mickey? Hey! Now's my chance to clean her canvas! My paint! What happened? Grace! Just cleaning the rug. Oh, she's gonna pay for that and I know how. Let's see. Is she in here? No? Looks like the coast is clear. There it is. Her favorite cleaning bucket just sitting by itself. Sure would be a shame if a bunch of blue paint got in it. She's gonna have a huge surprise waiting for her. Shh. I just gotta get a good hiding spot so I can watch the show. Cleaning is so much work. Phew. Here it comes. I'm almost done with these floors, though. What the? Ugh! Everything is blue! Yes! Got you! Mickey! You're gonna get it! I'm hot from my workout. I need a healthy smoothie. Hi, Grace. Ew. Look at all that junk food you're eating. Whatever. Enjoy your liquid veggies or whatever. I love avocados. And they're a healthy fat, too. Come on out. And into the blender you go. And then I need all this other good stuff, too. Talk about ew. Yay! It's done! Now I just need a glass. Ooh, I can already tell this is gonna be refreshing. There. That should be enough for now. This is giving me a good idea for a prank. It's gross, but I'm gonna have to stick my fingers in her glass. Yeah, that's the perfect shade. And now for my phone. Yes! With the green screen, it looks like I have no fingers. Oh no, Mickey! Something happened to my hand! What? Your hand? Oh wow. She totally fainted. Hello? Yeah, it's Mickey again. She fainted. Yes. Again. Yeah, if you could hurry? Ooh, I absolutely love a man in scrubs. Oh, look out! Don't trip over Mickey!
Wait, that's my patient?
Yeah. Yep, that's her. Right there.
Well, I guess I'll see what I can do. Hello? Mickey?
It's time to wake up. Huh? Oh, wow. A real-life princess come to save me!
No, I'm just a doctor. Maybe you hit your head. Come here now, let's get you back up. Ugh! Too freaky! Run!
Seriously?
Doesn't take too much to scare a doctor either, I guess.
Ugh, Grace, that was too far. You're just mad you didn't think of it. Whatever. Wow, I'm pretty tired. I had such a great time at my party. Huh? What's up with you? Hey! You've got that coat I wanted! It was you! You scared me to get the coat from me! Wait a second. We tied? No way! Listen, I'm way cooler than Mickey, right? I had way better pranks. I should have beaten Grace. No, you didn't, Mickey. You're the big loser for sure. The viewers. They can tell us who they think should be the winner. Yeah, I like that. Hey, leave a comment below to tell us who you think is the true best pranker. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Who do you think won the prank war? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out our channel for more great videos like this one.